Bring the cozy flavors of a campfire into your kitchen with this irresistible Campfire S'mores iced latte, packed with rich espresso, creamy milk, chocolate, toasted marshmallow, and crunchy graham crackers. This refreshing drink tastes just like your favorite fireside dessert. Let's make this cafe-worthy treat together. Ingredients: 2 shots freshly brewed espresso, cooled 1 cup whole milk or your favorite milk, 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup, 2 tablespoons toasted marshmallow syrup, ice cubes, whipped cream, 2 graham crackers, crushed mini marshmallows, chocolate shavings, or mini chocolate chips, extra chocolate syrup. Drizzling directions: begin by brewing 2 shots of espresso and let them cool completely. Crush the graham crackers into fine crumbs and set them aside. If you'd like an authentic campfire flavor, lightly toast a few mini marshmallows using a kitchen torch or under the broiler for a few seconds. Drizzle chocolate syrup around the inside of a tall serving glass. Fill the glass with ice cubes. Pour the toasted marshmallow syrup into the glass, followed by the cold milk. Stir gently to combine the sweet flavors. Slowly pour the cooled espresso over the milk to create beautiful coffee layers before stirring. Top the latte with a generous swirl of whipped cream. Sprinkle crushed graham crackers over the whipped cream. Then add toasted mini marshmallows and chocolate shavings or mini chocolate chips. Finish with another drizzle of chocolate syrup for an extra indulgent touch. Serve immediately with a straw or long spoon and enjoy every sip of this creamy iced latte filled with rich chocolate, fluffy marshmallow, and crunchy graham cracker flavors that capture the magic of classic Campfire S'mores. This Campfire S'mores iced latte is the perfect way to enjoy the classic dessert in a refreshing coffee drink. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious coffee creations, and share your favorite latte ideas in the comments. Happy free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.